Hello and welcome back. Today we will talk about trading routines, how to create a routine, and why having a trading routine is an absolute must if you want to improve as a trader. So first of all, before we get into trading routines, let me talk about the most common problems that keep traders from achieving any level of success and forever keeps them in the same loop where they repeat mistakes and don't see any improvements. So a big problem traders have is that they are not able to quantify mistakes or the impacts those mistakes have. And many traders repeat the same mistakes over and over again, but they don't really know how much they are actually leaving on the table, how much the mistakes are costing them. And so many traders, if they would just be able to see that one or two mistakes which they keep repeating over and over again are the ones that make the difference between winning and losing, many more traders would be able to turn their trading around by avoiding those mistakes and then being able to start trade profitably. Furthermore, many traders don't have a structure and don't follow a good process. They are just stumbling around. They are flipping through time frames. They are hunting signals instead of knowing what to look for. And they don't have a clue or they don't have a plan they can follow. They just hope to stumble over something that could give them a good trade. But finding good trades for many traders is often just based on luck and not based on a good approach. And finally, many traders don't know what actually works for them, and they also don't know when it works. Traders, when they have a good trade, they don't know how to repeat that, and also they don't understand what their losing trades have in common. And this then generates or leads to system hopping, where traders go from one system to the next, hope that the next system will work better, although they don't have a way of quantifying any real improvement or any real action that they make. And that's what keeps them in this vicious circle. The solution is having a trading routine. We will get into the specifics now, and you will see that there's much more to a routine than most people think. And a routine is actually going to be the best thing for a trader to help him improve his way of trading. So a routine, and a journaling routine in particular, will help you become more aware of your mistakes. When you have to come back to your trading journal and enter your trades manually, you have to relive them and see very clearly and very objectively if you have adhered to your rules, did you break your rules, did you repeat the same mistakes. And we have seen it in so many traders, hundreds and hundreds of traders have gone through our program, and we have seen it that once they had to input the same mistake for the 10th or 15th time, they then are sick of it. They start avoiding this mistake, and once they are making trading decisions, they keep that in their head or in their mind, and then they can start avoiding those mistakes more often. With a routine, obviously, you can create structure in your trading. A routine helps you from the mornings, before you enter or before you start your trading routine, during the day, and even after your trading is done. A routine is what gives you structure and helps you create a professional approach. And we will soon get into the specifics. And also, once you have a routine, you know exactly what to do, when to do it. This creates confidence. You'll be able to trade with confidence. And a trader who has confidence in his abilities, in his system, and in his process can make much better trading decisions because he's not stumbling around, but following a professional and a structured way. And so there are different parts to a trading routine. The first one is your pre-trading check, where you go over your past trades. We always recommend to at least check yesterday's or last week's trading before you start your current trading day. And this will then highlight problems. You can see where you are coming from. Are you coming from a string of losers, from a string of winners? And it will highlight some problems maybe in your emotion. Or if you see that you are on a winning streak, then it can also make you a little bit more aware of problems with overconfidence. And second is journaling your trades. So after you have completed your trading day, you come back to your trading journal, you enter your trades, you input all the data, you relive your trades once again, which then gives you an objective way of looking at your trades once the markets are closed, once you are done with your trading. And this is a very good way to remove the emotional aspects of trading when you have to enter or look at your trades once again after you have closed them. And this helps traders to better see what they are actually doing. Then also the post-session check. This is goes hand in hand with journaling your trades, where you analyze your patterns, you go through your trading journal, and I will show you later exactly how to do that, what to look for, and how to improve. And then obviously you also want to do a weekend review. I always recommend that on a Saturday or a Sunday, when the markets are closed, you have a little bit more time on your hands. You go back to your trading journal, you at least revisit your last 1 or 2 weeks of trading data, you check your screenshots of your trades, you analyze a few important metrics, which I will show you as well later, and then you get a much better idea of your trading and become aware of problems. You can see what works well, what you should do more of, and then so over time you can build your edge and also improve your confidence in your trading and your skills. And now I will show you what to look for in your Edgewonk trading journal and how to create a powerful trading routine with the help of your Edgewonk trading journal. Before you start your day, as I said, you should take a brief look at your past trades to get an idea of where you are standing and also become aware of patterns in your trading, be it positive or negative, and also see if you tend to repeat mistakes. So for that, we go to the journal area in our Edgewonk trading journal. You can see here is our tilt meter, and you just take a brief look at it. You see, are the bars mostly green, are the bars red, where is you coming from, and this will give you a good idea of how well you respect your rules or whether you are breaking your rules. So red bars always show that you have made bad trading decisions, you broke your rules, you didn't adhere to the plan, and green bars show you that you listened to your rules and you acted according to the system. So if you see a lot of red bars, that should give you a warning signal and show you that you have to look into your trading a little bit more. Scroll a little bit to the right, and then here you can see the comments about the trade, what has happened, what were your problems with the trades, which bad trading behavior did you repeat, and so you get a very good idea first when just looking at this one simple metric. Also, we always recommend to look at your reward to risk ratio traffic lights, which you can see here. Are the traffic lights mostly green? Are they red? If you see a lot of red traffic lights, it usually means that you are cutting your winners too short or you let your losses run too long. And this is also one thing that you should look into before you start your trading day for at least the past 5 or 10 trades to get an idea of where you are standing. Also go to the trade management area, and then you can see how your current performance and your potential performance compare to each other. So in this case, you can see that the current performance here in orange is above the potential performance, which means that the trader is adhering to the plan, he is managing his trades well, and this is always a good sign. So this is what you will do before you start your trading day. Obviously, you can also take a look at the equity graph and see how your equity is developing over time. In the background, you again see the tilt meter. So in this case, the trader is doing pretty well. Recently, he is in a little bit of a sideways development. The equity is not going up and down, but at the same time, the equity graph is, or the tilt meter in the background, is developing nicely. So this is a good approach, and the trader is doing fairly well. And then he can start his trading day. You can also go to your chart book, look at the past trades that you can see here, open them up, see if you see any problems. Are you respecting the rules? Do the trades look good? And then so this is a very easy and fast way to get an idea of your actual or your current trading. And then once you're done with your trading day, you come back to your journal, you click here on add a new trade, you enter all your trade information. Don't worry, you don't have to enter all the fields here, especially if you are just starting out. Focus on what is really important, especially here about the trade comments, which help you tag your trades and analyze your strategy and your trading behavior overall, your discipline and mindset. And don't worry so much about all the advanced features here, such as price behavior. So you first want to just get an idea of your trading performance, your behavior, and then later build upon this. And also then every week, I usually recommend that on a Friday or Saturday or Sunday, depending on when you have the most time, you do a proper post-trading check, weekend analysis. And for that, you come to your trading sessions. you create a new session here, and then you select the date where the session starts. Usually I recommend that you choose Monday. Then you choose here the weekly duration. You fill out the notes about your trading week, something that stood out, something that you want to remember. Maybe lessons that you have learned can put here, lessons that you have yet to learn. And so just capture your thoughts, ideas, and anything that you would like to remember about your trading week and your trading performance. Then you can see here the performance statistics. They will update based on your session. You can select a notes category and also rate your session. And with the help of the session feature, you can very nicely and quickly create a powerful trading routine. So every week, come back to this, create a new weekly session. At the end of each month, come back and create a monthly trading session. And this will then give you a good structure. And in the morning or at the beginning of each trading day, each trading week, you just come back to the trading session. You look at what you did during your last trading session. What did you record here? What were your thoughts? Maybe something that you want to be reminded of. And then you can get a good idea and a quick reminder of where you are standing right now. And that's basically it, how you can use the Edgebonk Trading Journal and its different features and functions to create a powerful trading routine. It's all in one place, and it helps you create structure in your trading day and so help you become a better trader, take trading a little bit more seriously, adopt a professional approach, and then make improvements. And if you don't want to do that all by yourself, you think that is too much, we have a trader development program. I will put a link in the description below where we help you not only understand Edgebonk better and understand all the different features, functions, but we also help you to create a powerful trading routine. We show you what is necessary. We show you how to create trading plans, how to prepare your week, how to analyze your week, and how to create a trading routine with Edgebonk and our tools. And with that, I'm wishing you all a good trading day, trading week, and I hope to hear from you soon.